Okay, so obviously I will show you guys the main thing that I always do in regards to this. Okay, this is the most basic level of what we trade, right? This is like the template. This is like the blueprint, right? But it all comes basically from this and understanding the smaller fine prints in between. Okay, so when you're getting the wicks and you're getting breaks and structures and all this kind of stuff, it's all derived from this. Okay, so about 4 years ago, I was very, very much adamant that every trade has to have these kind of things going on. Okay, so yeah, this is something that you can look at. Let me post in the chat as well. Okay, for you guys that have never seen this before, some of you have, because I preach about the same things over and over again. And this is what I'm saying. When you get your trading to a level where everything is very predictable, that's how you want to be trading. You kind of want to be trading like a robot. And you've heard me say that before. Okay, you almost want to be trading like a robot. This is why nearly every trade I take is near enough exactly the same. Okay, so again, right now, trade I'm looking at, okay, is just on top of this area right here. Okay, just on top of this area right here. That's what I'll be looking for. So if we could come down into this area, long position. Okay, we've got this IPA through here as well that I'm curious about. But ultimately, okay, we'll be looking about 20 pips. Okay, about 20 pips to take out this high minimum. Okay, because now we've created this liquidity at the top. Okay, top target right there. We've created this liquidity slash trend line at the top. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking for. Okay, minimum. Okay, and you guys already know about this 15-minute supply I've had here for God knows how long now. Okay, I've still got a sell limit up there on the 5 minute, not on the 15-minute. I still got a sell limit around that area. So this is what I'm still looking for. So again, on the 15-minute, I'm just gonna do this so you guys can see it a little bit more clearer. Okay, on the 15-minute, you got that candle, and then obviously this will be the best possible entry if you can on the 5 minute. So that's what I'm looking at. I've got the sell limit on the 5 minute. The 15-minute is more just like a target. So yeah, as we're dropping into here now, okay, I'm now looking at this as a re-entry. Okay, so when we're looking at this, why I like this entry, we've done the whole accumulation here. We've tapped into these areas. Okay, whole accumulation. Now we've broken past this whole supply area. Okay, very similar to where is it? Okay, we've broken past this whole supply area. So now this becomes, as you see, resistance lines. Okay, because once you break above that supply, the bankers don't really want to go back there. Okay, they don't really want to go past down that area because now they have to sacrifice money again to make it go down even more. And they don't want to do that. They've already escaped that whole cycle. So now this becomes the resistance lines of where we should be able to push up. So when we're seeing, where is it? When we're seeing this, they've done this whole thing and you can see this whole accumulation. They've broken past all of that. And then guess what happens? Right at the top, or I won't say right at the top, but right at the top of where everything breaks through here, boom, we've now got this demand candle. And remember what I said yesterday, supply candles turn into demand areas once it breaks past it. So even the top of this body, so if we just extend this out, okay, the top of that body, let's just say we're using this, okay, and what do we always say? When you're buying off the demand candles, top of the body 50%. And guess what aligns with top of the body 50%? This whole candle. Okay, top of this body and 50% of it. If you want me to be even more accurate, just to show I'm not making some stuff up, okay, let's just get a fib from this specific candle. Okay, and I'll mark out exactly where 50% is of that specific candle, which is right there. Okay, that's 50% of that candle. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, let's highlight this whole candle and look how it lines up. Okay, you can't make this stuff up. You really can't make this stuff up. So now I'm more confident, even though there's this gap here that I'm curious about, I'm still gonna say, cool, about 20 pips should be enough if we do come down into here, okay, and then play off it. So that's what I'll be looking at. So yeah, that'll be the 20 pip stop, and then hopefully we can do this, and then yeah, minimum, and then obviously I'll do this. Okay, so why is this? Okay, yeah, entries over there, right? I was wondering why that was there. All right, cool. So yeah, boom. That'll be the trades. That'll be the trade I'm looking at for this afternoon. Okay, hopefully it does hold and we can play off it. Okay, so price level, and I'm looking on a 15-minute. Okay, so my entry zones would be more around, again, let's just round this up. Okay, 21.81.50. That'll be my entry price, and then stop loss, okay, 21.79.50. Okay, which should give you about 20 pip stop. Okay, that'll be what I'm looking for. Let me look at the chat box real quick. Once it taps, are you going to send it to the chat, bro? Tristan, we're on the session. You're looking at the same thing I'm looking at. Why do I need to send it anywhere? Okay, you're literally looking at the session right now. I'm laughing at it because I actually find it funny. We're literally looking at the same screen. When I come off the session, it's not going to change for me. Like I don't know how many millions of people trade in the world, but it is not different for anyone else. Okay, we're literally looking at the same chart. It doesn't change, I promise you. Okay, I haven't got no special trading view, like nothing. Okay, so yeah, just yeah. And BTC's climbing. Okay, hopefully you can go into that 5 minute area. Okay, but yeah, like I said, in regards to gold, for the potential buy, we're looking at that 21.8150 area. Okay, so just keep a watch out for that. You know what? For you specifically, Tristan, I'm gonna post this into Goldmine, okay? For you specifically. All right, but yeah, this is the area that I want. Okay, and why I'm kind of reluctant just to put a buy limit on it is because, like I said, that gap right there, I don't like it. Okay, in essence, okay, I don't like it where it's kind of threatening us. It's like, you want to buy there? There's a little gap here. Okay, so I don't want to need it posted, my friend. You lot actually jokes, man. You lot actually jokes. But yeah, let me post this in Goldmine. Okay, I'm not gonna put the coordinates. I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, so you guys need to learn how to start looking at charts yourself because we're feeding you guys enough. Okay, like you guys need to actually start learning how to look at charts. Let me put it in Goldmine. Okay, I'm just gonna post that there. I'm not putting no coordinates, but yeah, I'm just gonna put that in Goldmine. Okay, but keep a watch out for that area. Um, What was you? Oh yeah, what was saying about Bitcoin? It's climbing, yeah. So is it getting closer to that area I would prefer? I need to add BTC USD to my watch list again. Whoa, that spiked up a lot, boy. Okay, so clearly he's not going to give us that entry then. Okay, clearly he's not going to give us that entry that we would have preferred. Okay, it's gone way past that. So yeah, let's okay, but see, this is another thing. I need to start looking at BTC USD, I mean USD and GBP. Because look at this. On this USD, it's not taking out the Asia session high, which is clearly coming for right now. On BTC GBP, as you can see, it's clearly taken an Asia session high. So yeah, when you're looking at that, it kind of contradicts it. So you know what? From now on, BTC USD, I'm gonna add this to my watch list again because yeah, that's confusing the hell out of me. I was getting totally different moves, totally different moves. So yeah, from now on, let's just do BTC USD. Okay, let me add this to my watch list and just look at this only because that's giving me contradiction information. Let's add it to the bag and let's just put that over there, and I'll just have. I'm gonna put it purple because I know what that means. Okay, so yeah, all right, that's totally ruined our plans of potentially selling from that area. Okay, so let's skip that. Let's totally skip that. But now it's actually taking an Asia session high. Now I'm gonna be curious to see what actually happens. Okay, what else can we play with in regards to here? Everything's kind of covered, right? Everything. Oh, wait, what's that done? Okay, interesting, interesting. Let's keep a watch out for this right here. What's this 5 minute? I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna keep a watch out for this area right here because that other thing just ruined everything. Wait, let me just take a whole step back and I want to understand what's actually going. Why did I highlight that area? Okay, so that's the high point of that. Okay, cool. That makes sense. That makes sense. And then liquidity wipe, breaker structure. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, so why I'm saying I like this, let me just explain. Like Kevin Hart says, let me explain. So why I'm kind of looking at this, we had again, like I say, these our signature move happens in various ways. So again, just understand just the holistic view of this. Let me actually maybe put on a 2 hour, maybe you might be seeing. All right, perfect. Okay, so on a 2 hour, again, we had these highs, it took it out through here. Okay, you can see this wick. Okay, we took that high out and then we broke these lows and now we're coming back. Again, it's just the same pattern. Okay, just in different time frames. So let me go on maybe to the 1 hour and maybe you can see even more. Okay, so yeah, maybe on the smaller time frames it looks better. But again, high, and this takes it out. We drop below this, break a structure, and now we're coming back towards this area. Okay, so again, same situation. We had the high, takes it out, break a structure, and then it comes back towards that area. Okay, so on this right now, it's not looking as clean to me on all of those time frames. The only time frame I was looking clean on was that 5 minute. Okay, let me look at the 15 minute as well. Yeah, 15 minute, we're starting to see a little bit better. So again, you can see the shape of that, right? So again, we had this high, this takes it out, break a structure, and then it comes back. So that's why we're coming back right now into specifically this candle. Okay, but yeah, I'm liking it a little bit more on the 5 minute because Okay, we can see, was it the 5 minute? Yeah, I marked out that area. Let me just delete this because that was confusing me. Okay, on the 5 minute, we can see we got that specific candle. Okay, that was the last up candle in the area before all of this happened. So that's why I've marked out that area. So I don't know if we're going to reach as high as that, but if we can, yeah, that'll be the next best place we can sell from. Okay, because the other one just totally blew us out the water. So let's see what happens when we get here. Again, don't put a sell limit. Don't do nothing yet. Okay, just let's just wait to see what actually happens. And I've marked out another 5 minute over here apparently. Don't know when I did that, but where is it? Okay, I don't want to scroll forever. So wait. Okay, let's just leave that for now. Let's just focus on this first one. Okay, so if we could come into here, okay, again, this one's looking more like a 15 to 20 pip stop. But yeah, don't put a sell limit on nothing on this one yet. Just let's just wait to see what happens. And someone just keep a watch out for that. While I keep a track on gold as well. Okay, or you know what, I can do split screen, but I don't really like doing it most times. So let me do split screen. Okay, so we know that's there, and then let's look at gold. Okay, so gold, we're still coming down into this area. Okay, so but that's going to be contradicting though, man. So this is going up and we're looking for potential sells, and then gold is coming here for us to give us potential buys. That's a little bit contradictory as well. So let's just keep a watch out for these, and then we'll see what's going to happen. So yeah, gold is approaching this area fast. The BTC is doing opposite. Very interesting. Okay, let's just keep a watch out for this, and then we'll see what's happening. So Bitcoin's coming up in here very quick. Gold is in here. Okay, let me just admit a couple people to the room. Can you repeat the BTC price? Oh yeah, no, that's gone. Let's forget about that. Crazy candles. Yep. Gold by 21.81. Thanks, Ishak. Um, is the 30 minute to the 4 hour best for Wyckoff, or can you do scalping with this theory? Yeah, you could do scalping with this theory. Okay, so most times you're gonna see all of these happening, okay, within the smaller time frame. So 5 minute, 15 minute, those are probably the best time frames you're gonna see it happen. But saying that, again, if you understand a big accumulation and a big distribution on like the bigger time frame. So Bitcoin does it a lot. Okay, Bitcoin does it a lot on a bigger time frame. So again, in 2021, I'll show you an example. I'm in split screen mode right now. Okay, so I don't want to kind of ruin it. Okay, but if you go on to Bitcoin 2021, it was like 13th or 14th of February. I remember it was close to Valentine's Day slash my birthday. So 21st, 2021. Okay, just go into the daily, you'll see the whole schematic. Okay, it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, when you've got time, go on BTC USD and just go into the daily time frame, 2021, you'll see the whole distribution happening. Okay, and by distribution, I mean this. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, it was beautiful. So yeah, when you got time, use this website, go onto um Bitcoin on the daily, you're gonna see this. Okay, it happened two times actually. I think it was 2021 and also 2022. Okay, so yeah, keep a watch out for that. Go on the daily, and then you can see all of that happen. But yeah, these are the two most interesting trades we're looking at right now. I was looking at Euro CAD earlier on. Let me just look at this on my phone because it's actually playing out quite nicely. Okay, so again, this another one that I looked at in gym and then I executed. So it's actually playing out quite nicely right now. Okay, so I was at gym, I couldn't analyze it and send it to you guys, but yeah, let me just on this one, let me look at Euro CAD. I'll keep an eye on that Bitcoin. Okay, so Euro CAD, and it was on the 30 minute. Okay, so again, I was at gym, I was looking at this. Oh, Kieran's putting buy limit. All right, cool. I appreciate you, Kieran. So yeah, I was looking at this in gym. Okay, so we took out these highs. Let me just get this tool. Okay, we took out these highs. Again, it's just a signature move, guys. It's just the signature move happening over and over again. Is this on a 30 minute? Why does it look so weird? All right, cool. So I was looking at this again from this here to this here, like it's 10 pips. So I was like, yeah, cool. Once I saw that happen, we broke structure to the downside here. Again, it's just a signature move happening over and over again. Okay, we had these highs, this takes it out, we break structure. So naturally, we already know it's going to come back into this area. Okay, so you get your fib from that high to this low, and you can see what 88% or my 89% is. So again, 50% of this candle. I just said cool, market execution. Market executed it, and then right now we're currently about 22 pips, 25 pips in profit. So yeah, that's happened. If you do want to get into this again, I'll say the safest place would be 47 to 20. Okay, 47 to 20 will be the next safest place to get this trade. And why I want to sell it, okay, let me go into the 1 hour. Okay, why I want to sell it is to get, okay, I may have to go into the 4 hour. It's so weird to work in a split screen right now, isn't it? Okay, so why I want to sell it is just to simply get down into this demand. Okay, or potentially, well, even this demand, but yeah, this demand first, because this is right now in an uptrend. Okay, and why I want it to come back into this demand is simply because, bro, my browser tinkies. Okay, why I wanted to get back into demand is just to buy it all the way up again. Okay, so that's what I was looking at sales for it to come back down to do a pullback and then continue going. So yeah, this demand around 45,900 is why I wanted to sell it. Okay, so yeah, we'll see exactly how it plays out if it does play out. But yeah, I'm already in sales with that. And then yeah, we'll see exactly how that plays out. But if you want to personally still get in, then again, on what time frames are you on? 30 minute? Is it 30 minute? Yeah. Okay, on the 30 minute, then yeah, you could wait for it to come back up into this area. And then yeah, about 47 to 10 would be the next best entry, I'll say. Okay, so 47 to 10. Okay, BTC is approaching very fast, right? I don't like it when it approaches too fast. Why are you coming fast? Every time I say it, that just remind me of. Okay, yeah, I don't like when price just literally flies into an area. I like it to create some kind of liquidity, play around, trick people a little bit. But yeah, this is just literally flying into here. Okay, but yeah, still gonna watch it. Again, like I said, don't put no sell limit. Let's just wait for it to see what it does, and then we'll go from there. Let's actually look back at gold. What's actually happening? Okay, we're just still floating around that area. What's happened with the chatbots? Can you repeat? Okay, yeah, that's old. Okay, yeah, cool. It's just Timothy laughing. All right, cool. Let's just wait to see what's happened with these. I'm not sure. Did Kieran just put the buy limit for these? Uh, bro, why isn't it letting me click this thing? All right, cool. Love, can you write the coordinates for newbies? I think entry. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right, cool. Kieran already done that. Say no more. So yeah, that's the trade we're potentially looking at for gold. Kieran's already put the coordinates in gold mine chat. But yeah, you could put a buy limit on gold if you wanted to. For me, I'm just going to personally wait because, like I said, I'm still worried. Oh, wait a minute. 30 minute. What time frame did we mark up that gold one on? Why is it not showing me this gap here? Oh, okay, cool. And 15 minute it has. All right, cool. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, there'll be no lunchtime pips on well tomorrow or Friday. I'm gonna be in LA visiting my newborn niece. So yeah, don't expect me to be doing no lunchtime pips. All right, so yeah, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to because LA times were different. What is it? 5, 7 hours, 8 hours, or whatever, 7 hours, right? So I don't know if I'll be able to do it as effectively, but I'll see what I can do. But yeah, I'm gonna be in LA for the next week or so. And then yeah, I'll see what I can do in regards to lunchtime pips, but don't expect any miracles. All right. So yeah. But yeah, Bitcoin still kind of fastly approaching here. We was already looking at gold. So yeah, let's just see what happens with this Bitcoin. Okay, what I'd like to see in an ideal world is something like this. Okay, and even though we're on a 15 minute, actually, yeah, we was looking at this in a 5 minute, right? Okay, let's go back to a 5 minute on this. Our wrong thing. Let me switch to the screen. This, there. Has that switched to 5 minute? That's right. Okay, cool. What I would like to see in an ideal world would be something like this. And let me get this magnet drawing tool. Okay, we'll come up, do a little play around. Okay, something like that. Break structure, come back, and then boom. That's what I'd like to see in an ideal world. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we can get something like that. That would give me more confidence because how quick this has just literally flown into here, I don't like. And let me just double check. What's the news events that's happening today? Okay, we've tapped right into there. So again, it's up to you if you want to execute this right now, but I'm gonna just be patient. I want to see something like that happen first. So we've got a very clean reaction, literally tapped in beautifully. we're still doing gold trades. Yeah, I mean, gold trade has been put in gold mine. I've talked about it already. Like, yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what else I can do. Okay, so yeah, what have we got today? So yeah, we haven't actually got much happening today. Nothing really. Just low impact news. So yeah, we should be in the clear today. Okay, cool. But yeah, did anyone actually execute this already? Like someone's like, I ain't got patience. Let me just let me just bang this trade on. Did anyone do that? Be honest, be honest. I want to see something. Did anyone actually execute that right there? Did anyone actually execute that? I mean, it was a beautiful entry. I'm not gonna lie. It was a beautiful entry. I mean, it literally just tapped into our entry and just went. So was it 15, 20 pips, right? Okay. Did anyone enter that? I'm just curious to see something. I had a buy for it, hit my TP at same entry as sell. I'm in a sell now. All right, say no more. I've entered BTC. Alexas. That's an interesting name. Where are you from, Alexas? The way it's spelled. I've never seen it spelled like that before. Lithuania. Okay, okay. That's a cool name, man. Gonna dump now. I mean, it's looking good. We had a clean entry. We had a clean entry. BTC normally taps the high a few times before going down. Yeah, that's but so in profit, take it. All right, yeah. Zoom user, I'm not sure who you are, but yeah, that's something I'm familiar with as well. That's why I was like, yeah, you can enter it right now. Okay. And it could dump. I could potentially miss out on this trade. But just the way I trade, I like to see these kind of confirmations. And if price is just very, very quickly going into entry, I don't like it when it does it. I like it that what gold is doing right now, where it's kind of just hovering and playing games and saying, am I going to go up? Am I not? I like that because what does that do? It creates liquidity around that area, right? Okay, it creates liquidity. So now people are buying early and getting taken out, and then they're buying again. And then for us, we already know this is our best possible entry. Okay, and then we enter from here into safer space, and then we hopefully go up from there. So yeah, that's why I prefer when gold and prices are doing something like this. But yeah, as we can see, I mean, Bitcoin is doing its thing. I mean, literally bang on. I mean, there's zero drawdown, literally zero drawdown. You know, when people usually say zero drawdown and then it's like a 5 pip drawdown, this was literally zero drawdown. Like it's doing its thing right now. So I'm not sure if anyone took it straight there, but right now you're on 26 pips profit, which is not bad at all, right? So that's doing its thing. But yeah, for me specifically, like Zoom user said, I'll rather do something like this for me to be more confident. Oh, Tristan, you marked up gold for yourself now, yeah. Good, you're learning, bro. All right, that's good. That's what I do on my sessions. I'm not here to spoon feed everyone. Okay, we're not babies, we're all grown adults that should be learning this skill set for life, right? Okay, so yeah, there's Bitcoin doing what I expected it to do. Okay, so I expect hopefully one more move into here, and then we could come back down, and I'll be more confident with that. All right, so let me pull my screens back. Okay, I don't like the split screen view thing. Okay, so yeah, with Bitcoin, again, you guys see what I'm trying to do with that. Okay, come into this demand, I'll just take out this area here. Okay, so one more move into here, and then I'll be more confident once I see it engulfing candle. So when we see something like this, okay, when it goes up into here one more time, and then you see the engulfing candle, you could be very aggressive and market execute it there, put your stop above the previous supply candle, and then sell it down. Okay, that's what I would like to see, something like that. Okay, we're more in this situation. Okay, because really just tapped into here, right? So we're more in this situation now. Okay, so if it goes up one more time, then you see it engulfing candle from the supply candle, then boom, and then we take out that low. How we want to take it out here. Okay, so yeah, just be patient for that, and then see exactly how that plays out for gold. For gold, we it's playing with us in it. Yeah, come on, just come into this area, man. Just give us a trade that we want. Okay, he's played with me enough this week. Like if it doesn't come down into this area, well, I'm gonna be actually angry because remember we missed out. What was that trade? We was waiting for this one here, right? And it didn't come down as low as that. We literally was waiting for it. How many pips? We needed another 15 pips, and then you saw what happened. This was a trade I was looking at early start of the week. Okay, and then it just done all of that without us. So if this doesn't come down, bro, literally playing games with us. But yeah, so everything else just kind of in the mud. Okay, we had GBP USD that was good start of the week, but it's back at entry. GBP JPY, I didn't really have nothing for it. GA again similar. GCAD, yeah, similar. We didn't really have nothing for this. Entered DJPY. It came back to my entry. Okay, and I was like, oh, okay. So it was doing good. We went up as high as how many pips did we go up? And good thing I took partials yesterday, right? We went up as high as what 60 pips, and then we come back to entry again, which is quite annoying. CAD we didn't look at anything for that, right? I didn't highlight it. USD JPY. Did we highlight anything for this? I don't think we did, right? Oh yeah, we already got the buys and was done at the trade. Oh no, this was wait, 30 minute. Did we highlight this? Oh yeah, we did. 30 minutes, sorry. Oh wait, is this a trade that's played out already? No, no, no. This is the one we highlighted, right? Okay, so I was looking at this 30-minute through here. Okay, again, similar. Again, the price hasn't come into this area that we would have liked. Okay, but it's hovering over there. So let's keep a watch out for that because we know we can go way higher into like that area. So just keep a watch out for that on 30-minute for USD JPY. And that price level is around 150 400. 150 400 is or 150 500, sorry, is the area I'll be looking for. 150 500 for Euro, not Euro, USD JPY. Euro USD, what was happening with that? Okay, we didn't look at anything for that, did we? I don't know why I highlighted that. USD Chef, still climbing as expected. That's why I'm waiting for USD JPY to do its thing. And then last but not least, USD CAD is climbing as expected. But last but not least, let's look at DXY just to get a better indication of what's actually happening. Okay, so it's still climbing towards where we want it to climb, which is why for Bitcoin and I mean gold we should be selling really, but again, that's why I take gold out of the equation. It just does what it wants. Okay, it doesn't really respect any rules. It's just like, yeah, I'm gonna go up. Okay, I don't care what DXY is doing. I'm just gonna go up or go down. It just does what it wants. But yeah, for DXY, it's doing what we expect it to do. We're getting closer. So which means Euro USD should be dropping right now, which it is. Okay, but we're getting closer to what we want to see. Okay, we're getting closer to what we want to see. So yeah, okay, for Euro USD, I want it to come way down here. And then for DXY, again, as you can see, we're climbing into that area that I wanted to. And then once we're in there, a lot of pairs should be selling off like Euro USD, AD USD, GBP USD, leave gold out of it. What else? Anything that ends with USD basically. Okay, but except for gold, let's leave that out. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the session as that. I'm not sure. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna say it now. I'm not doing lunchtime pips tomorrow because I'm gonna be on a plane. So yeah, probably going to catch you guys next week. If I can do a session, I will. But obviously I'm going to be family and all that kind of stuff, so I'm not promising you guys nothing. Okay, so yeah, Tristan, can you repeat USD JPY again? All right, let me do that. USD JPY. I don't know why I just typed this. I got my watch list. USD JPY. So I was looking at this on a 30-minute, right? So again, I had several entries for this. Let me start off on the 1 hour. So firstly, the first area that I would obviously prefer. Let me just do this. Okay, the area that I would prefer obviously will be down here, but just due to where we are right now in market structure, okay, then on a 30-minute, just keep a watch out for this area through here. And a 30-minute, again, price level, entry, let me just click this out for you as well. Okay, price entry will be 155.20. Okay, 155.20, and then your stop, let's just make that 50 pips. Okay, and then you stop and click that again. Okay, so entry 155.20, stop. You're looking at 15 pips, which is 153.70. Okay, and then your TP is totally up to you, but obviously we always target the previous high. Okay, so that would give you about 130, 140 pips. But like I said, overall with USD JPY, what I'm trying to do is let me just go into the daily. Okay, I'm trying to get right up into there. Okay, and right now from there, I think we're like 600 pips away. Yeah, 600 pips. Not a bad guess, right? Okay, 600 pips away. So that's what I'm ultimately trying to do with that. Okay, so we did this based on the market structure before. Okay, we did this based on the market structure and I predicted what I wanted and I think was here. And that's why I got that buy from here. Okay, I'm not sure why I closed out this buy, to be honest. I should have held it because we haven't literally done anything for like a week. I should have held it, right? So yeah, I closed it. I closed it too early. But yeah, based on this market structure, that's why I want price to go into here. So yeah, we're 600 pips away from that, so it can be good. See BTC gone up again. Ah, damn. Okay, safe journey. Appreciate you, bro. Safe trip. Wishing you a great time with family. Congrats on the birth of your niece. Appreciate you, Hammy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, cool. So actually, wait, before we go, let's look at this bastard BTC, man. This is why I said don't execute it quite yet because it can just do what it's doing. Oh, it doesn't look like, wait, let me look on the 5 minute. It doesn't look like it's blown past it. Okay, so it's given us the signs. It's given us the signs. So react to the FA once, twice. Let's look at this on a 1 minute real quick, actually. Oh, on a 1 minute. Oh, on a 1 minute, it's given us kind of what we wanted to see. Okay, we broke that high boom and then come down. So yeah, just be patient. If it breaks this low, yeah, if it breaks this low and then comes up into a supply candle again, I'll say execute. Or you can just execute right now if you wanted to. Again, like I said, a stop loss. What was you playing with? 15 to 20 pips, right? So it's totally up to you how you want to play this. But yeah, on a safer side, just hopefully breaks this low again, and then you can be more confident. So yeah, that's the information. Do with it what you want. Okay, do with it what you want. But cool, guys. Until next time, I'm not sure when the next time is going to be. Take care.